Hi everybody, it's Rob and I'm on to video number 4 on the Pinterest training session. Before I start, I'm going to tell you a 30-second story. I have a client, hi Lynn, who I told her that I'm doing this Pinterest training and that she just had to hang on a couple of days, which would have been about 2 days ago that it'll be ready. Well, it's not. You can hear I'm recording now still. And I said to her, look, I'm going to put together just a quick little course on Pinterest marketing and I know it'll help you. Hang in there. And then I sent her the picture of this entire training. In fact, give me a sec. I'm going to show you what I sent her. 1 sec. Okay, so check it out. This is the course. And if I do a plus and I zoom it, we are when to use Pinterest, maybe. Yeah, we're up here. And if you look, I cover quite a lot of stuff. And I could, for example, do a half-an-hour video on using cool fonts. I really can. If I could just show you what I do for my fonts, and I probably will when I get there. So check it out. I can't resist this. And then let me get out of here. It's giving me a headache. And when I showed her that image, because I created the mind map, and I do it on purpose so that I don't forget to tell you something. And now we're in this, and I had to close this to stop my own head spinning. Still, let's get going onto getting set up on Pinterest. Let's have a look at what it says. So you're going to watch me do this as I go along. We've been all over there. My bad. Sorry, I'm jumping to the top of where I've been. So, okay, let's start with the website, okay? I believe that you shouldn't start your Pinterest marketing until you've got your website in a decent enough state, so that when you send people there, they will actually not think, huh? And run away. So, yeah, I've covered this. If you do not have a website, I highly suggest only self-hosted WordPress. Anything else after that, I'm sorry, you're on your own, because it's foolish. People are going to tell you, oh, but WordPress gets hacked so fast. Lies. People that are idiots with WordPress get hacked. Yes. When you go into my training on how to set up WordPress, there's no problem at all. Best of all, if you use my affiliate link, read this line, use my affiliate link to get your hosting, and I will set up the course site for you. So somewhere down below, or you might have to go to the training and look for domain hosting and find a link in there. It's probably on the domain hosting, on the dashboard, on the training. Find my links there and get your hosting, confirm it with me, and I will install WordPress, the plugins. I'm not going to build your website for you, but I'm going to prepare it so you save yourself 5 or 10 hours of trying to get that far. Okay. I will also set up the structure of your site in a correct way. The silo structure will be there already. The categories and stuff, schema, all of these are in the training on the website. Learn how to do that. Plugin, silo structure also, if you do not have one. Sorry, so this comes, if you do have one, my bad. If you've got a website, go and see that it does have good silo structure, good schema markup. Let me show you. Schema markup is on Pinterest. When you join up for a business account and then you claim your website and they link it, Pinterest brings that schema, which when a schema is an ugly word, schema means just a description. Pinterest will suck the description from your website and put it onto your pin without you. But if you've got nothing there, then Pinterest can't bring nothing. So, if you do have a website, I also suggest that you create a bit of a sales funnel. So down below, I'm going to talk about how I plan to set up mine, and we'll get into that in more detail. Oh, so cool. I'm getting through that in only 4 minutes. Well done. So I doubt it's going to be this easy. Whoa. Okay. I'm going to just ignore the first 4 minutes of this and let's get straight into join Pinterest. So when you've got your Pinterest set up, it should be well set up. You should have great boards, great pins. You should have tools to repin. You should be constantly working on your website. You should be constantly paying attention to your analytics and possibly doing paid pins. This is a good thing. Okay, do your profile properly when you join. brand it with your keyword. So, don't, if I put it under Robert Bruce Anderson, and it's constantly about online, how to run a business online, or how to overcome stress with fibromyalgia, it doesn't quite gel. It's better to create a brand on the niche that you're wanting and set up your account with your username as your keyword, as a brand name. Your profile image, do it natural, but if you're going to use a logo, you can do that too if you plan to be a brand or software. By the way, I'm running through this quite quick because anytime you can pause, go and look and read through this on the page that this course is on. And I always offer you this option. If you've run through the course and you thought to me, like, what? Oh, you can't just cover the profile, so what? No. Then you email me and say, Rob, I did the Pinterest course, and I need you to talk more about this brand name, username thing. I'll go and make a separate video for you on that, okay? Right, in your profile, put the URL of your page, unless you've done a landing page, which is a funnel, and you'd put that in. Right, use your keywords in your description. I'll probably tell you to use hashtags in your about page. Let me keep into order here. Use keywords when necessary. If you have a freebie, put that into the about section. When you're getting along properly, I mean sometime in the future, split test your pages, split test your freebies. You'll see that there are ways, and split testing is simply just sending your visitors through your clicks to a separate page that's very similar. But it's also, in this case, testing to see how people follow you or don't follow you with a different, what's the word I'm looking for? A different profile description. Right. Once you've joined Pinterest, you must get a business account. So you need to confirm your site with Pinterest. On your profile, it'll tell you if you are confirmed or not. There'll be a tick on your profile. Go and look. If not, again, ask me to do how to confirm. But if you click the untick because you're not confirmed, Pinterest will tell you. Put your URL in here, put a code in like this or like that, and go and see it. If you need me to do that, I can do it. In fact, let me just check something for you on this one. So I'm going to pause. I'll be back. Okay, so the answer is yes. You can see it still thinks I'm a Boston Terrier designer. There's one or two snuck in the end here. That's me. Quite a while ago, year and a bit. That's still good. This is good. Now watch this. My website has been claimed. That's my wrong website. I don't want that to be my website for the claimed anymore. So I would literally go here and find out how to make it go away. That's just going to go to my website. So I have to edit this and reclaim another. So I could even change this. This is cool, huh? This is great. So this is exactly what I'm busy telling you that you need to do properly. And mine is not done properly yet. I will have to do this. So in here, my display name would be possibly No Stress Fibro or something. And my Pinterest name will be Fibro and Stress. You see what I mean? And then listing things you can make and sell online. Yeah, so this is because it's still, everything in here is set for that. Now when it comes to claim, I'm going to go there and I'm going to unclaim that. Right? So let's see. You're going to lose access to the websites and analytics. I'm not worried. To watch this, I'm out of there. So now it says claim. So now I'm going to have to go back into here, find the one I want to claim, which will be this one. Will it be? Yes, it will be. So I have to visit the site. Give me a second. Copy that. Oh, okay, and that's cool. This is exactly what I'm trying to teach you. So I'm going to put that into here, claim your website, paste. I bet you it's going to, okay, it's stripped it, huh? And I'm going to hit claim, and it's going to say add HTML tag in the head section of your site. So I'm going to do that the quickest way possible. I'm going to copy. Really? Let's try not to make that go away. I'm going to copy that, I'm going to go to my website. I'm going to go to my Divi theme options. Don't know if I went to theme options. Integration. It's this simple, by the way. Enable header code. Interesting. Okay, I simply just have to add it after the last one. I've been adding things in like a crazy man because I'm forever doing this sort of thing. I go to save changes. I might need to clear all caches. By the way, this would be the setup I'd done for you, so it will be Divi, and you'd have done very, very similar to that. I'm then going to go back in here and click next and submit for review. Oh dear. Okay, so but that's it. So can you see? And so you're going to go through all of this and edit and do things that are necessary. I must check my Etsy, which one is connected to this one. It is connected, but I think to another one, because then it automatically goes to Etsy. And let's see what it says in here. Yeah, okay, so I've got to do it all. But can you see how it's intuitive? It tells you what to do when you get there. It says, okay, go here, go there. I repeat, if it gets to the point where you're thinking, what? In my life, I've never heard any such confusing rubbish from Rob, then yeah, carry on with that. Phone me and say, email me. Please don't phone me. I just don't answer the phone. So we've got use keywords. We were down to claiming your website. Confirm it. Your site. Okay. This was to get a business account. Then you set up rich pins. Oh, that's nice. I'm going to show you how, and do Yoast if you have to. Okay, so I'm going to stop at this point and call this video part 1 and start with the rich pins as a part 2. So I'm going to be out here. I'll be back. Cool. Cheers for now.